And here's how to record and transcribe your iPhone call on iOS 18. After updating your iPhone to iOS 18 or newer version, now we have to enable call recording. So go to your settings. In settings, go down and tap on apps. Scroll down and tap on phone. Here, tap on call recording and make sure to enable call recording. And now I'm going to making a call from my another phone. So let's make a phone call here. Here's I received a call. Let's pick up this call. And now to start recording, here just tap on this record icon. And here you can see the call will be recorded after 3 seconds. And this call will be recorded. And here we can see this call is now recording. And now to stop recording, just tap on the stop button. And let's cut this call. And then go to your Notes app. In Notes app, here select call recordings. And here you'll find all of your call recordings. Tap on play. Tap on the call recording name. And here you'll find the call recording transcribe. Just like so. You can also listen the call recording, and here you can see the transcribe. Thanks for watching.